cleaning and testing the PlayStation 1.
You got what I need, sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat, keep it on repeat, tested by the potion, loving this devotion.
PlayStation video game console released in 1994 by Sony Computer Entertainment. The PlayStation, one of a new generation of 32-bit consoles, signaled Sony's rise to power in the video game world. After a failed venture with Nintendo to release the PlayStation as the Super Nintendo Entertainment System CD in the early 1990s, Sony made the decision to market its own console.